For PTE academic exam, question number 14 comes under listening section. MCQ, choose multiple answers. Once the question appeared, after about 2 seconds, you will hear a recording and you will be given a question based on that. Since you do not have much time to go through the answers before you hear the recording, you will have to go through the answers also along with the recording. Generally, more than one answer can be correct, especially for each wrong answer, a negative mark will be allocated. Therefore, it is recommended to select one correct answer for safe side. If you want to select more than one answer, make sure you are 100% sure about the second or third answer you are going to select. Now I will show you an example from this question type. Now let's do a question. You can see here as soon as the question appears, after about 2 seconds, the recording starts. This recording is about 1 minute. Question here is, according to the speaker, which of the options below are right? Make sure to read the question properly. Sometimes this can come other way around. According to the speaker, which of the options below are not correct? Key to success in this kind of question is to capture any synonyms. But generally, what you're going to hear is not exactly same thing that is written in order of the sentences provided. You have to capture the synonyms. Sometimes, for example, if we take the word machines, you can quickly skim through the sentences and see where that word is sitting. In this example, we can see the word machine is included in the sentence D also, and go through the sentences and at the same time listen carefully to the recording to capture any words, any keywords or word phrases. Now let's listen to this recording and see whether we can capture any of the words or words phrases similar to what speaker is talking about.
Paper mills had the worst of it for years as newspapers reduced pagination, went wholly digital or shut for good. The papers were able to hammer down the cost of newsprint from firms fighting for business as demand declined. Price-taking paper mills suffered in silence. Many hesitated to shut massive machines costing hundreds of millions of dollars. That hesitance has disappeared. Mills are taking out newsprint capacity and diversifying. Norske Skog, a Norwegian pulp and paper firm, said in June it would close its 66-year-old Tasman mill in New Zealand, for example. Many mills are converting machines to make packaging for e-commerce. UPM, a Finnish firm, announced this year the sale of its Shotton newsprint mill in Wales to a Turkish maker of containerboard and packaging. For JCS Volga, a Russian mill, newsprint used to account for 70% of production. Now half of what it makes is packaging.
Okay, now I actually was able to capture two answers, but for the safe side, I will select only answer D. I am very much sure about this answer D, therefore I will select only answer D. Other thing I want to highlight here is, in order to facilitate more than one answer, generally square button appears for this kind of question types. Now let's submit this answer and see. You can see here answer C and D both are correct. In this case, since we have selected only answer D, one score is being given. Now let's see what happens if we select one correct answer along with one incorrect answer and submit. Since the statement B is incorrect, negative mark has been allocated. Therefore, final score becomes 0. Therefore, it is always recommended to select one correct answer for the safe side. Now, let's discuss the importance of this question type among all other tests that you get in the PTE exam. In PTE academic exam, you will get total of 20 questions. The priority for this question is at 17th out of 20. In addition, you will be given roughly about 2.6 marks for the listening section out of total of 90. Therefore, this question type is not that very important, but make sure you understand how you can face for this kind of question in the exam.